and today I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp web on your Mac operating system. Okay, let's get started. So first what should you do is first open the link given in the description, and here's the site. So here you can see the download. If you scroll down here, you can see download for Mac OS X button. Click on this. So it will start download the DMG file. I have already downloaded, so I will cancel it. So after it downloads after it completes the download of the WhatsApp web DMG file, open Finder and go to downloads. So here I have the files, and that DMG file will be named as files dash whatsapp.dmg. So just right click on that file and then click on open. So it will start. So just drag this WhatsApp icon to this applications folder. So here you can see it's copying WhatsApp to the applications folder. So after that, close this WhatsApp installer and then close this downloads page also, and go to Launchpad. Here you can see WhatsApp. Then you can connect as normal. As you scan the QR code, it will connect as normal. So after you see the WhatsApp icon in the Launchpad, go to home screen. So then eject this WhatsApp installer. Just right click on this and then click on eject WhatsApp installer. So this way you can easily install the WhatsApp web on your Mac operating system. Thank you guys for watching this. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be notified when I publish new videos. And the other thing which I wanted to tell you is I have made actually a Linux group in Facebook. So I gave that group link given in the description. So there you can go and join that group. In that group you can discuss all the issues and how to install and you can discuss all about Linux in that group, like one group for Linux. There are many groups in Facebook, just I also made one. So I will give the link given in the description, so there you can go and join that group. Thank you.